Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
We are about to have a lot of fun. This week, we're releasing a video every single day for 5 days. So we developed this Pantry Power challenge. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna explain the rules, but each day it's gonna be basically the same thing, just with new scenarios. So for the rules, first of all, I cannot go to the grocery store between now and the end of the challenge. And what I have on hand in my pantry, in my fridge, and in my freezer, that's what we have to work with. Which honestly, I'm a little scared because we don't have a lot of produce. So that's part of the challenge. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is that I am going to be blindly selecting the recipes that this guy has chosen and put here in this cookie jar, in his grandmother's cookie jar. So I have no idea what recipes he's chosen. I'm gonna reach in each day and pull a recipe out. And at that point, I've got to figure out how to make that recipe with what we have in this house.
And then
the third rule is that we have a wheel that he has created that we're gonna spin. You're gonna see the wheel. We're gonna spin, and that wheel is gonna tell us how I have to cook it on the grill, in the air fryer, in the slow cooker. So it could be a recipe that could end up being a disaster if we cook it the way the wheel tells us. So all of this is up in the air. We're hoping we give you some recipe inspiration this week, but we're definitely gonna give you some entertainment and some possibly some failures, but that's all in the name of the game. So first things first, he needs to put the recipes in the cookie jar, and then I need to pull one out. By the way, hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. He folded them in half, but I'm telling him to fold them in half again.
Yep.
Make it a little bit easier for me to reach in and grab. I have no idea what recipes he's chosen, so I'm very nervous.
They're not like gonna be super duper difficult.
Okay, good.
Well, hopefully not anyway.
Well, it depends on the wheel.
All right, Grandma's cookie jar, here we go. The recipes are going in. All right, are you ready?
Yes and no. I'm a little nervous about this. I think the thing that makes me the most nervous, I'm not nervous about the recipes. I'm nervous about how we have to cook them, but we'll figure that out. I'm gonna show them first.
Okay.
Is it upside down?
No, it's right side up. You did good.
Okay. Do we have potatoes?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
And how many eggs do we have? I should have stocked my pantry better in preparation for this, quite honestly. Okay, we have 6 eggs. I just hope that we don't pull another recipe that needs eggs this week.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Oh gosh. Okay, this is one of our favorite recipes to make. So potato hash with eggs. Hopefully we have potatoes. Here we go. So Steven just sent me the official recipe, so I'm gonna open that up here on my phone and take a look at it and try, hopefully, to figure out which of these ingredients we have and if I need to make any substitutions. I don't think we have bacon, but I think we have something else we could use in place. Most of this I think we have. It's gonna be close, but we can make this work. I'm confident. But here's the scary part. I don't know how we're gonna cook this, so let's go figure that out.
All right, here we go.
So this is the wheel that Steven has created. It's got all of the different ways that we might cook our meals. We've got grill, we've got air fryer, we've got the Blackstone, oven, stovetop, and then the gracious one where I get to choose. So let's spin the wheel and see how we're making potato hash with eggs.
Oh,
We lucked out.
Man,
Okay.
that was so lucky.
That was lucky. Okay.
Wow.
Yay. It's going to be kind of a normal day today.
Yeah. All right, we can breathe.
All right, let's do it.
All right. Well, it's not going to be as hard as you might imagine.
This is a great first day. I
Yeah.
feel like this has set us up for success.
Yeah.
The rest of the days may all be failures, but at least we have one good one.
Yes.
Because I'm pretty confident that even though I'm missing the bacon, I have something that will work just as well, if not better. So I think we're good.
I'm looking forward to that.
I mean, if it would have landed on you choose, I would have chosen stovetop. So
Yeah.
we really did luck out. Blackstone would not have been horrible at all. grill would not have been good.
Would not have been too bad, though.
I mean, we could have figured it out, but I'm just happy that we got stovetop. So this is going to be a very easy
Aren't you
dinner.
glad I didn't put slow cooker on the wheel?
I literally thought that he did put slow cooker on the wheel, and after pulling this out, I was like, how in the world am I going to make eggs in the slow cooker? I would have figured it out, but thank you for not putting slow cooker on the wheel.
Well, you never know what surprises may await us in the future. You never know.
That's rude. That's rude. Okay, so we've got some potatoes, an onion. The recipe calls for a bell pepper. I don't think I have that. Y'all, my produce is pitiful. But we do have some peppers from our garden. We have some banana peppers and some jalapenos. So we've got peppers covered. We're good there. Now it calls for bacon. I know we don't have any bacon. I say I know. No, I'm sure. I thought we had some frozen, but we just used that. So one thing we do have that we need to use up, chorizo. So I figured chorizo would go really good with this. I love the flavor of chorizo. So we've got this we're gonna use in place of bacon. Now the other things that we need is just standard seasonings. The eggs, of course, I'm gonna grab that out, and some garlic. We have all of that. So, I mean, it's not far off from what it's calling for, so we're good to go. You know, I'm just so happy that this was an easy one.
Yeah, me too. We got lucky on that one.
We did get lucky. Well, you chose a good one. It's not too difficult. And then the wheel was nice to us too, so.
That is correct.
That's
Can't
good.
really call it a wheel of woe.
A wheel of woe?
Yeah, that was in my mind.
Was it?
Yeah.
You're always coming up with names for things.
Maybe it'll be a wheel of opportunity. I don't know. We'll see.
Well, we'll see what
Challenging
tomorrow
wheel.
brings. We don't know.
The challenge wheel. How about that?
It is the challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna just dice up this onion. Could have grabbed my little chopper out. Oh well.
Made quick work of that.
I did.
Look at you.
All right, I think we just need half of this onion because, yeah, we don't have a whole lot of potatoes and.
You might need to save that other half for something else anyway.
Right? I don't know what's coming up. All right, I've already washed these. I washed them when I brought them in from the garden. So I'm gonna chop up a banana pepper and maybe a jalapeno, maybe a couple banana peppers. What do you think?
Yeah, a couple banana peppers maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that one. That was a good one. Okay, seeds in or out?
It's up to you. Living dangerously.
We'll leave them in because it's a small one. So, all right, we're gonna wash these potatoes up. I think the recipe called for 1 pound of russet potatoes. So this feels about like a pound is left in this. So I think we have about the right amount. Obviously it's not russet. So we're just gonna go with what we have. Oh, sir.
I got it. I caught it.
Steven caught it. That was good, babe. That was good. Okay, some of these are starting to grow a little something on them. Look at that. We won't talk about that. We'll just discard and keep rolling, you know? We need these to be pretty small. So I'm gonna get the dicer out because this is gonna take forever if I just sit here and do this. So I'm gonna just cut them in half and pop them on here. There we go. That one is an itty bitty one, but I'm still gonna cut it in half. Now look at that.
Perfect.
It is perfect. We'll throw these in there with it and call that good. So we got a large skillet. I'm gonna heat it to about medium high. Let that heat up, and we're gonna get started with the chorizo first.
So how is this challenge going so far?
So far, it's going great. Thanks for asking, Steven.
You're welcome.
Now, we're gonna cook the microphone. We're gonna add our chorizo to the pan, hopefully. We're just gonna cook this whole thing of chorizo, even though I think it's too much, because we'll eat it, you know? This is not very appetizing looking. I'm just gonna call a spade here. Oh my.
Maximum ploppage.
Oh, that chorizo's popping. It be popping. Oh, I'm gonna let me get my apron on. Lovely. Oh, this thing is popping. Be nice to me, chorizo, please.
I don't think we've ever done chorizo here.
I think we have. Haven't we?
I don't think so. I think this is our first time.
I don't know.
I don't remember it.
Ow, ow, ow. It's attacking me. Okay. It's being very rude.
Don't let it hurt you.
So what we're going to do is just cook this chorizo, and then we're going to take it out of the pan, and we'll leave a little bit of the fat behind because that's what we're going to saute our onions and peppers in. Ow.
Poor thing.
This doesn't hurt my feelings. Are we doing this right?
Looks very fatty, doesn't it?
It does look real fatty, which I mean, chorizo is. It's very greasy. We're just going to let that hang out for a little bit and we'll check on it because I don't know what I'm doing. We Googled how to cook it. It ain't like that. But you know what? It's the fun of the challenge. We're going to figure out what to do with this mess.
So what you want to do, I think, is what Google said. You want to cut it in half, like the log that you had.
Yeah.
Cut the log in half or cut it into like, you know, almost like sausage where you cut them in slices.
Yeah.
And then you sear those And then after you sear them on each side, then you can kind of chop them up and they're seared.
All right, it's not having a good time over
No,
there.
it's not. Hey,
Did we ruin it?
no, we're all right. It's going to be fine. We'll figure this out.
Okay, it's popping really bad though.
Yeah.
So it's cooked. He's gonna pour it out because we need to let it kind of drain some of that fat off.
Yeah.
And it's not supposed to be a huge part of the meal anyway. The bacon was just gonna be crumbled and put on top. So we're gonna let this drain and we'll check on it. Okay, it's looking better now.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, the adventure. Okay, let's wipe out the pan and start again. We have great news, friends. So we don't have much chorizo fat left behind because we poured it out. But you know what I always keep on hand? Bacon grease. I keep mine in the fridge. But that right there, liquid gold.
Oh yeah.
It's good stuff. So I'm gonna add, let's start with that and just see how much we get from that. I may need to add just a little bit more. We're gonna let that melt down. All right, so that melted down, but I think we need just a little bit more. So I'm adding another maybe half a tablespoon. And once that melts, we'll saute our veggies. Okay, let's add our onion and our peppers. We're gonna saute these for just a couple of minutes before we throw our potatoes in. We'll also throw our garlic in too in just a couple of minutes. I wish y'all could smell this because it's good. It smells real good. Okay, I'm gonna throw some garlic in. So I've pushed my veggies off to the side and we're gonna add in our potatoes. Crank that heat up just a little bit. Okay, let's let this hang out for a few minutes. I'll be right back. To our potatoes, let's add some seasonings. I've got some paprika, as Stephen likes to call it.
Oregano.
Optional, but we love some cayenne pepper. Not gonna throw in a whole lot because we did add some jalapeno too. So.
And that chorizo is going to be spicy as well.
Yeah, just a little bit. Then salt and pepper. And this is gonna cook for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna mix these seasonings in really good. But we're gonna cook the potatoes for about 10 minutes. So we're at the halfway point. It's smelling amazing in here. And they're starting to soften up. So we'll give it a couple more minutes, then we'll mix in all of the onions and peppers. Stephen and I were chatting. I think we're gonna crumble the chorizo throughout before we add our eggs. And I'll show you how we'll do our eggs too. And you'll have to let me know. Are you over easy or over medium or over hard? I'm over hard. I don't like any runny eggs. He loves runny eggs. I just can't quite do that. So ours today are gonna be more like medium to hard, but you could definitely do this to where they're a little runny. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these onions. Some of them are getting a little charred anyway. Let's mix them throughout. I'm gonna turn the heat down to about medium low, because once we put those eggs in there, we want them to not scramble immediately, you know? And that's something else you could do. If you wanna do scrambled eggs, you definitely could just push all this to the side and just stick your eggs on the side and scramble them. But we're gonna try and do like the recipe says. Wish me luck. Chorizo that looks absolutely pathetic. I'm gonna add some in and we're gonna mix it around before we add in our eggs. Kind of chop it up, stir it around. We'll add a little bit more. Okay, I added probably about half of it. Okay, this looks fit to eat just by itself.
Oh, it looks great.
But we're gonna add our eggs in for some more protein, which is great. Good gracious, that looks good. So what I'm gonna do, it says just to make a well and just crack an egg into that well. I'm gonna crack my egg into here because I'm always scared that the egg is gonna be bad or I'm gonna get shell in it or something. So I'll crack an egg in here and then we'll pour it into a well. Does that sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Okay, let's make our first well. I've got this on medium low. Okay, that looks good. She pretty. I'm gonna work fast. Oh, thank you, hon.
Well, I can make wells too.
Look at you. How many are we gonna do? It said to do 5, but I don't think we need 5. Maybe one more?
Whatever you want.
So yeah, do that over there.
Whatever you like.
Now, we're gonna let that cook, but we're gonna put a lid on it so it kind of steams in there. And we're just gonna keep an eye on it. Now it says if you want them over easy, do it about 6 minutes, but I'm gonna check on it at 7 minutes. Let's check on these eggs. Oh, they are not done yet. Let me poke on them, see what they're looking like. Oh, okay, they're getting there.
It should be about done.
They are. They're real close. Okay, I'm not mad at that. I'm gonna leave them in there for just another second, like maybe 1 more minute. That's it. And then it'll be time. And that's a good thing because I'm hungry.
That looks amazing, babe.
It really does. I'm gonna I grabbed this because it's gonna make it easier to scoop out. But we have a little bit of this Swiss and Gruyere cheese left. And I'm gonna put some on top of mine. I don't know if anybody else wants cheese, but I do. So let's see how this goes. I wish we had some parsley or cilantro or something, but we don't. So, bon appetit, babe.
Okay.
The question is, are you ready?
Time to eat. I'm ready. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Wow.
Is it good?
That is delicious.
Awesome.
Spicy, that chorizo sausage. I mean, I feel like this is a proper hash right here.
Okay.
Oh, man. That is delicious, babe.
Yay.
Man, that turned out real good.
Oh, good. I'm so glad.
Man, I like my eggs running, but I ain't mad at this.
Okay. Well, I'm
Spicy.
so glad this worked out. I'm so glad we had the chorizo on hand.
That is amazing. It is packed full of flavor. It is just bold, spicy flavor.
Do you want some Cholula? Cole heard me ask that, and he's going back to get it.
Let me converse with myself. Self, do you want some Cholula? Why, yes, I did. All right, man, you loaded it up. That's what I'm talking about. Golly.
We love some Cholula.
All right, now.
All right, try it with that, and then I'm gonna get to eat. I'm hungry.
Are you hangry?
I'm about there.
Man, it just keeps getting better.
Well, good.
That's delicious, babe.
I'm so glad.
Good job.
Thanks.
Challenge was accepted. Challenge was defeated. Victory.
Put some Cholula on mine. Y'all, I was so excited to eat. I didn't even take my apron off. I just came in here and sat down and started filming. Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you what.
Honey, that's like restaurant quality good.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, it's spicy.
Is that like, is it like huevos rancheros? Isn't that like the dish? I can't remember.
I know it has eggs. Is it steak and eggs?
Yeah, I can't remember what. Maybe it's just
I don't know.
huevos chorizo or something. I don't know. I don't know.
We don't know. What I do know is this turned out really good. I was really nervous when we cooked that chorizo. I thought we had messed everything up.
I bet it's like chorizo con huevos.
Is huevos the egg?
Yeah.
Okay, we did it on that one.
Yeah.
We did it.
We got lucky. We have to admit. Tomorrow is a different story.
Day 1 completed successfully. Day 2, you just have to come back tomorrow and see it.
What are you doing, little girl?